Thanks for clicking on today's video. Before we get started, please do not forget to
like,
comment,
and subscribe, boys.
Hey, let's
get this.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? We are back with another video. At least I am. Junior will not be in this video today, unfortunately, because he is at home. But I'm just doing a quick little video. Got a good little package from FCP Euro. You already know the blue tape. It's certified. We unboxed this already. If you guys are having an error code with the intake, I believe I'll put the error code screenshot here, and I'll probably put it in the description. But basically, all this is going to set you guys back is a total, it doesn't have the price on there, but all I got was the variable timing solenoid. I got the official OEM one. I tend to like OEM over OE, but that's my personal preference. And here it is. So I believe this is just an 8mm nut. We just take that off, pull off this little connector, plug this in, just put that back on and connect it, but I'll show you guys that now on the car. All right, guys, and so to confirm, it is actually a 10mm. I just got it on this smaller piece. And so the intake solenoid, if we're looking at the engine, this one here is your intake, and this is your output or outtake. All right, I'm gonna set you guys down for a minute because this is a little difficult with one hand. All right, don't forget, you guys are gonna need some sort of pry tool. In this case, I have pliers. All right, there we go. This is old, and that's obviously our new. I somehow managed to break off the metal retaining clip on this piece here. I'm probably just gonna buy a new piece. It just was an SOB to get off. As long as I pick one up here within the next week, should be like couple bucks, and I'll just place it on there. But for now, this will work just with a direct placement, and then we'll start her up. I did go away after the reset, and it should not be coming back, so we are all set and good to go. Psych! Come to find out, there was additional issues with the car. It wasn't only the intake solenoid, it was also another piece which I'll have here, but this was also what FCP Euro recommended based off the symptoms I was having, still having that error code popping up. Went ahead, got it here. Now, just a couple days later, we got Junior in the background. He is filming the video for the charge pipe that we just got, so that video will be up either before or after this, probably before this. Anyways, regardless, let me go ahead and break this open, show you guys what's inside. All right, so here we go. Oh, Junior is in this video. What? Oh my God. And there we go. That's all we needed. Beginning of the video, I said I like to stick with OEM parts. This is an OE part because I saved 50 bucks, so I lied.
It's not OEM?
No, but I mean, it's all the same shit. Like, they're made in the same factory.
Cheap fuck.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. You got it. You got it. God damn it, Bobby. Let's see it. $50 right here, guys. $50 fucking right here. Great.
I think you shouldn't be touching that.
Torques, or 8 female Torques, or whatever the hell that is, on there. Junior did star in this video. Lands up.
I'm ending at this video because somebody has big sausage fingers.
All right, look at my fingers. I'm 6'7" for reference, and my little.
And I'm a fucking 5'11". I'm not
Bro,
short.
look, your thumb can bend. Look, your thumb was meant for this shit. Oh, damn. This shit was nasty. Old one, and I haven't thought that far ahead yet.
This is what I'm saying, buddy.
Goodbye.
A few moments later.
We still got a major oil leak, and I'm probably gonna have to replace my belt because it's doused in oil. What's the reason for this, Junior?
This man right in front of me bought the damn sensor, but didn't buy no fucking.
Let's close up on the filter there.
He didn't buy a fucking, what is it called?
The gasket.
No, it's not called a gasket. Gasket is that. This is a fucking the O-ring.
O-ring, which is
rubber
gasket.
O-ring.
Gasket.
A
gasket is a rubber piece that sits between.
But it's
Yeah,
O-ring.
same shit.
this man, for the past, well, I think the last video was like 5 days ago, but it's been like a week and a half or a week, and his car's been leaking oil, and he's been buying oil and oil and oil. And this little black thing, I don't know if y'all can see it right there, was because of him. He put this in, telling me to put it in with no O-ring. I didn't take it out. He took it out.
Well, you'll see in the video where I threw it away. You probably just watched that, and yeah. And so here we're here. So, and this was a week later. And we'll see if this fixes the problem. All right, y'all, so I've been trying to finish this video for probably 2 weeks now. The car still has an oil leak. We ran it after we had even replaced the gasket, and it's still leaking pretty bad. So still not sure what's going on. Vanos inlet sensors can pop up a bunch of different things, so still looking and researching into it. I'm gonna post this just to get something up. So at this point, it's really to be determined and to be continued. It can drive, but it's still just a nuisance having that service engine light up and still burning oil. With that being said, I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna try some more things, and then once I find the fix, or once I order some more parts in, you know, I'll update you guys at that point. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this video. I'll catch y'all on the flip.